The Morgan silver dollar was struck from 1878 until 1921 during its initial run. And in the Morgan dollar series, there are some decades that are harder to find for collectors than others. When it comes to Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars, it's the coins struck during the Roaring 90s that have become some of the hardest to get their hands on. This coin is the second Philadelphia Mint Morgan struck during the Roaring 90s. It is the 1891 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar in beautiful, uncirculated condition, despite being well over 132 years old. This stunning Philadelphia Mint Morgan is item number 9051719. It's 9051719. And while our limited supplies last, we are just $89.95 per coin, a price that has us almost $100 less than our nearest competition. You can call in at 1-866-518-5933, or you can head over to our website, avccoins.com. Head up to the search bar and put 9051719 and grab this collecting secret from the early 1890s today before we completely sell out. Now, in 1891, the Philadelphia Mint struck 8.6 million total coins, a mintage that places it 12th out of all 29 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars by mintage. It ranks as the 62nd out of 96 total Morgan dollars, regardless of mint of issue. 97 if you want to count the 8-tail feather and the 7-tail feather as different coins. So by mintage, many collectors would call the 1891 a common date coin. But when you look at its modern day population figures, you begin to realize just how hard to find this Roaring 90s Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar truly is. Despite 8.6 million total coins struck, today just 23,174 are known to exist in any condition at all with NGC or PCGS. That's from the VGs all the way up to stunning MS64 and 5s. Just 23,174. That means that it is rarer by population than some of the most sought after Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars in the entire series. The 1899, the second rarest Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar of all time, currently has a population of 31,039 coins in any condition at all. That is almost 7,500 more coins than the 1891. It's also rarer than the 1878 8-tail feather, the original Morgan dollar struck at the Philadelphia Mint. The population reports show today 37,591 known in any condition at all with NGC and PCGS. That is almost 14,500 more coins by population than the 1891 Philadelphia Mint issue. And when you add in the fact that the 8-tail feather Morgan from 1878 was only struck for 11 days, that is something truly special. When you can find the 1891 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar with our competition, a beautiful uncirculated coin would cost you almost $190. We are almost $100 less at just $89.95 while our limited supplies last. In fact, our value is so good tonight for an uncirculated Morgan dollar from 1891, we are more than $45 less than our competitors' heavily circulated pieces. They want over $136 for an 1891 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar that was so heavily circulated you couldn't even make out the individual's eagle's feathers or read the word Liberty in the Morgan's bust headband. You heard me explain how much rarer by population this coin is when you compare it to the 1899 and the 1878 8-tail feather Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars. Let's compare them in regard to their value today. If you can find an 1899 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar, a beautiful uncirculated piece would cost you over $665. That is $575 more than our 1891 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars are, and the 1891 is a harder to find coin. The 1878 8-tail feather, when you can find it in true uncirculated condition, that coin's going to cost you over $835. We are more than $745 less for an even harder to find coin, the rare 1891 Philadelphia Mint issue for just $89.95. With the phone lines getting a little bit backed up, what I'm going to do is put a 1-minute timer up on the clock and run through this rare collector's secret one more time before we sell out. This is the 1891 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar, a collecting secret from the roaring 90s. In 1891, the Philadelphia Mint struck 8.6 total million Morgan dollars at the Philadelphia Mint. That makes it the 12th rarest Morgan dollar struck at Philadelphia by mintage out of all 29, and it is the 62nd rarest Morgan dollar out of all 96 in the series, regardless of mint of origin. When you compare the modern day population reports, however, very few of them have survived today in any condition at all. Just 23,174 are known to exist today in any condition whatsoever. That means that there are fewer 1891 Ps known today than there are 1899 Philadelphia Mint issues or 1878 8 tail feather. We are more than $100 less than our nearest competition at just $89.95 per coin. And a coin this rare at a value that steep, they are sure to disappear quickly. Call in now and grab yours while you still can.